What's up, y'all? I wanted to come and show y'all me doing these soft locks. I call them co-locks because they put me on the map. But I tell anybody, make sure you get and start with a clean base. So if you have your clients come and they have to come shampooed and blow dried or whatever, make sure their hair is clean so you can get that nice sleek look. Most times I do like to pre-part when it come down to my partings. But right here, I just went ahead and showed y'all just to give it, so the video wouldn't be long. Just to give y'all a little 1-2. So I just be adding it on and just continue braiding it on. This is a good method. I like it. But it's your preference what you prefer to do and try. I feel like, especially for somebody doing their hair on their own and for the people who do it on their clients. So you really just have to figure out what is your niche and what's your thing that you like to do when it comes down to installing the soft locks or the distress locks. I was trying these new braids here and I just want y'all to see. Oh, that part. Yo. And I'm just showing y'all the install. I went ahead and put all hers in, just showing y'all her little peekaboo she got. This me working, not real time though, but I am fast mover, and this was the finished product. They came out so pretty. I still gotta figure out my room and how to get better pictures, but they still look great. She loves them. She loves them, y'all. But thank y'all for watching, and I hope this helped somebody today. And if it did, give me a like, comment, or subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'm gonna keep coming with that fire.